How to change currency in Squarespace quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change currency in your Squarespace website. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to go to squarespace.com, log into your account, and you will select the store where you want to change your currency. So I'm going to select this one right here. With our Squarespace website or an online store, we have this panel and we have our own commerce dashboard. So you're going to select commerce from here. Within your commerce, you have a bunch of different options for shipping and, products. You're going to scroll down a little bit to set up and then select the payments. Within your payments, it will show you connect a payment processor. You will get different options to connect, and then you're going to scroll down, and at the bottom, you will have the settings for store currency. So you're going to select this option of store currency here. The default currency is going to be USD. You're going to select the drop down and select the currency you want to go for. We have all of the currencies available: Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, we have euros, pounds, and then we have all of the other currencies. Let's say I actually wanted to go for euros. So I'm going to select this one, click on save, and your store currency will be changed from here. You can see. This is how you can also change your store currency. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.